Well, come check.
Here, look. Santa came.
I wonder what he gave you. Come see. It's a surprise.
Don't you want to see what Santa gave you? Lee. Come on. Let's see what Santa gave you.
There's something over here on the floor. I don't know. You come tell me what it is.
Come here, Lee Bear.
Come on, Lee. Come here, Lee.
Don't get there too fast. What'd you get?
What is that, Liam? That's all for you.
It's your stocking. He put it on the floor. Let's go see what it is.
What?
You put your stuff on the floor. Go see it.
See your stocking?
What else did he give you?
What is that?
What are those wooden toys?
I'm glad you're picking your nose at this moment.
Liam, come on, let's go.
What are they?
I don't know.
You want to look inside of your stocking? Here.
Some more?
Yeah, you got some more stuff. Candy.
Some more candy.
Look at all that candy.
I
Liam,
got
there's still stuff in
Oh,
there.
another one. I wonder if Santa putting candy canes on the tree.
Did he? He did put candy canes on the tree.
Look, Lee Bear. Remember the cookies?
Do you want yours?
and
You don't want to
the dance circle
I do.
when
Look, he ate all the cookies.
You ate the cookies, Lee.
He must have liked them. Did he give you any toys? What did he give you?
a candy cane.
Did he give you any toys?
He got me the one.
What are they?
They are toys.
What kind of toys are they?
They are.
Liam, Santa Claus gave me
All right, all right.
Jimmy and Caleb
I'm trying to. Let's see. What's this?
They are golden truck.
A logging truck? And what's this thing?
A crane.
A crane?
Huh.
I wonder if they're fun. You think they're fun?
How?
I don't know. Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is that crane truck?
It is. Does it lift that barrel? Where's the barrel?
Wow, Santa Claus gave me perfume. Thank you, Santa Claus. No, don't put the phone in it.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.